안녕하세요. 저는 서광원이라고
Hello,
합니다.
my
치과에
name
다닙니다.
is Seo Guangwon. I'm a dentist. Dentists often have occupational illnesses. Our neck and back are often bent when we see patients. Spinal issues are unavoidable, myself included. I have neck, lower back, shoulders, and wrists problems. The wrist problems came first. Tenosynovitis of the wrist affected my work. I couldn't hold medical equipment because my wrist was painful. Once, I picked up the equipment and dropped it onto the floor. It was because my wrist was weak. Whenever the weakness came, I could only put down the equipment and ask other doctors to take over. I also had herniated discs in the cervical and lumbar vertebrae. The cervical spine issues caused shoulder pain and numbness. Dental surgery requires precise movements and delicate perception. Every motion requires a controlled amount of strength. But because of my wrist issues, I often used the hammer with excessive force. When I only wanted to insert 0.5 millimeters of the needle, I'd insert 1 millimeter. The first time I made this mistake, I was terrified. I didn't know what to do. How would I be able to treat patients? I treated fewer patients who had severe issues. For a while, I intentionally refused 30% of patients. Because of fatigue, I worried about the next day's work. I was anxious at work. I realized that I was no longer happy seeing my patients. It's stressful. Workers at the clinic are irregular. They come and go. The clinic's operational cost is high. I need to be cautious at work. I juggle many responsibilities. It's not easy. These caused chronic fatigue over time. I felt like an inflated ball at work, but when I got off work, the ball completely deflated. I lost passion and motivation for work and life. Whenever this feeling came, all my joints and wrists became stiffer. I had difficulty treating patients. These symptoms began 16 years ago. I spent a lot of time trying various exercises to change this situation. I had personal trainers at gyms. I tried mountain climbing and yoga. It seemed to have some effect. However, it just got worse in the end. In the beginning, I intentionally walked energy Bagua at a secluded corner near my condo. I was afraid of people judging my movements. I needed lots of courage the first time walking energy Bagua outdoors. I felt awkward and shy. After practicing for about a month, I was full of energy. When I have enough energy, I'm happy and full of life. It's as if a lubricant had been applied to my body. My stiff joints softened. The numbness disappeared. The stress of treating patients also disappeared. My shoulders are comfortable. All other pain disappeared too. I didn't drop any equipment ever again. After getting my health back, I can perform precise operations. All my perceptions are back to normal. My body is relaxed. All the stress is gone. The quality and effect of my treatment are even better than before. I'm not depressed but optimistic. My complexion is much better. I have vitality for life and great happiness. Like a car needs to fill up gas, our body and mind need energy. Energy Bagua replenishes energy in my body and mind. So I practice energy Bagua every day. It's only possible because of Grandmaster's precious methodology. I restored the confidence to practice dentistry again. I got rid of depression and found happiness. It's all because of Grandmaster's compassion. I am sincerely grateful to Grandmaster.